Is there a better way to manage your data center? HPE Spares Management Service lets you take control and get the speed and flexibility you need to fix issues with instant access to genuine Hewlett Packard Enterprise spare parts stored securely at your data center. Avoid wasting time calling support to order your part. We'll stock the spares you need on site using HPE Smart Spares Cloud technology to automate and accelerate the spares management process end to end. So, your critical, genuine Hewlett Packard Enterprise parts will be available fast, when and where you need them. HPE Smart Spares Cloud technology puts the power of one of the world-leading supply chains in your hands, with secure, on-demand access to genuine HPE parts, automated stock replenishment, 24/7 visibility of stock levels and parts used, dashboards and reporting to monitor and maintain your inventory, and HPE-owned parts provided under warranty or as per your contract. Fully integrated with Hewlett Packard Enterprise's systems, you'll have complete real-time visibility, from inventory levels and consumption patterns to service performance and suggested actions, all at your fingertips. Everything you need to keep your business on track and online. Avoid costly downtime waiting for parts. No more concerns about supply chain disruptions. Simply swap in the new part and get on with your day. HPE Spares Management Service can help you thrive in a fast-paced world. It's adaptable and scalable, so as your business grows, so can your HPE Smart Spares solution. It's the faster, more flexible way to help ensure uptime, maximize efficiency, and take control of your spare parts inventory. Talk to your Hewlett Packard Enterprise representative about how to get HPE genuine spare parts stored at your site with the HPE Spares Management Service.